Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. I'm the president of Myrland Marketing and Social Media, and I am a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media marketing for lawyers and their legal marketers. Today's message is about something that you can do, something very simple that you can do to help people remember that you are the lawyer or you are the professional or you are the firm connected to the event that you have invited them to or that they have committed to attending. I get lots of webinar invitations and I sign up for lots of webinars because I'm in a constant mode of education. You are probably too. And when there's an automatic link to save that to my calendar, I have a couple categories. I have things that I know I'm going to attend. I have to attend. Maybe I paid for that course. And so that goes on my calendar in red. And then if it's something that I would really love to attend, but if something else gets in the way and I know I can schedule over it if I need to, if I have a client commitment, and those reminders go in blue. I use a Google Calendar and I have my Outlook calendar integrated into my Google Calendar. Anyhow, on almost all of these, there are so few exceptions to this. What typically happens is that when I look at that later on, I have very little idea by looking at the title on my digital calendar who is hosting that. And sometimes I remember or think to, if it is important enough, when I am actually saving it to my Google Calendar, I will go into the title and I will add in brackets the name of the firm or the person hosting that. Because what that is going to do is that is going to be a visual reminder to me when that comes up that day. Oh, that's hosted by this person, by James Callahan. Yes, that's one I definitely need to attend. What happens is if you don't put that information in there at the front, then people, number one, aren't going to remember that you are the host, and they may just think when it comes time, oh, I don't know, that title looks interesting, but I really don't have much memory about why I even signed up for that, so I'm going to skip it. And it also serves as a visual reminder and attaches you to that topic area, and that's what you want. You want people to associate your name with your practice area or with that topic. Most people won't do what I did. They will not go up and add your name to the start of these appointments. So get in there and do that. Add your name or your firm name to the very front of your titles that get saved to people's calendars. All right. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Moments. If you have any questions about that, just email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. And that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right. Until next time, take care.